Well, this area is where we intend to start the market garden or the vegetable garden. We already started a very small part and now we will extend it to about 100 square meters. So I'm sizing it, and afterwards Erwin will mow it so it's really neat and flat, and then we will cover it with a carton board and put some compost over it. One of the most important things is that you keep the scythe on the ground and that you don't lift it up. So what you do is you make half a circle with the scythe and you keep it on the ground, and then you go back and the scythe stays on the ground. So doing this ensures you that you have you cut the grass at the roots, right at the ground. A lot of people make the mistakes to lift the scythe and then they just cut it like this. When you notice that scything is a bit harder, the reason might be that it's not sharp enough. So what you do then, you do this about every 10 minutes or maybe more or maybe less. You sharpen it with some kind of file, it's kind of a rough file. There's a word for it, but I don't know it in English. That's also what you do is you strike it on the back side a few times, and then you strike it on the front side to make it smooth again. And you'll notice that when you continue scything, it is going to be a lot easier. So that's one of the things you need to know. Then after some time, this isn't enough. You need to really sharpen it, and there's special tools for it. You can, in the old-fashioned way, they used to hammer it, and I've tried it, but it's very hard. It's very noisy. You need to cover your ears because it's a terrible noise. And there's also modern tools for it, and we'll show you how to do that in another video.